Hi there, my name is Jessica Drossin, and today I'm going to offer a quick demonstration on how to use the JD Ultimate Butterfly Overlays. It's super simple, and I just want you to be able to have a lot of fun and get creative here. So I have an image here of my little daughter, and I want to add some butterflies to it. We're going to go here and we're going to open up some of these butterflies and place a couple of them. Let's see here. I'm just going to maybe pick this guy, and I'm going to show you how to, you can hand add them. Now first I could either select all and copy and then just paste it into a new layer here, and then I'm able to move it around. If you want, you can install the JD overlay actions. Simply double click on them to install them into Photoshop. And let's say that I want to blur the butterfly slightly. I would just make sure that I selected the butterfly and then hit the little action and say continue, and there I've got it blurred. Now I'm gonna hit Control Z on there because I don't want to do it. Let's say you want it to be a little bit more saturated. Again, you could do this all hand edits yourself, but if you're a little less familiar with Photoshop, I've built in some of these bonus actions to help you along. So here we would just again make sure that we have our butterfly selected, and just for, let's just call it butterfly 1, just so that we don't forget what our layers are named here. And I will go ahead and hit that play button, and now we've got it added saturation. Now let's say I only want half of that saturation. I could just go here and lower it under the opacity area. One more thing, let's say that I want it to be rotated. Again, I could just come here, and now we've rotated our butterfly. Let's see. I'm going to resize him, make this butterfly a little bit smaller, and we're just going to fit him into these tall grasses. So imagine you could just go ahead and do this with a variety of different butterflies and different butterfly poses, if you will. Or if you were in a little bit of a rush for time, you could simply go here and open, and you could pick one of the combinations. Number 1 is the one that I use, so I'm going to hit open here. And last time I selected all, and then I copied pasted in. This one I'm just going to drag and drop it in, and I just move it where I want it to go. And if I want to have any other, let's say that I liked it overall, but I wanted this guy over. What I could do is within this file, it's selected, this layer rather, I would just go ahead and circle it. I'm going to make sure that I don't have a feather on this. Make it 0 and circle him, and I can just move him over. I could make him smaller by using the transform tool, and when I was satisfied I would just click that little arrow and make sure that he's not selected anymore. Alright, so you could go in, you could add more butterflies if you wanted to. Let's see here. Whole little variety. Let's get one coming in from this direction. I'm just going to again hit select all, copy, and paste. And let's see here. Again, I'm going to make this smaller, and I'll even rotate it a little bit. Smaller again. All right, so super simple, easy peasy. Let's say on this little guy I wanted him to be just a little bit warmer. I could go right here to my actions, and there he is. Okay, so infinitely customizable and tweakable, and you have all the control, but hopefully it's super easy to add these in and have a little more creative fun. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.